So this is how to tell when a bad bearing job is done. This is off a 2010 Toyota Venza. Bearing's making some noise. I took the hub off. I took the snap ring off the back. I couldn't push the bearing out with a 20-ton press. The thing was in there pretty tight. So I ended up taking it to a shop. And this is what they gave me back. And unfortunately, I wasn't there to pick it up. I was working. I had my wife pick it up, so it's Friday afternoon. It's like 6 o'clock now. I can't call them. No one's there on the weekend. But anyway, this is what they gave me back. First off, there's oil on it. That's just a problem right there. When do you put oil on a brand new bearing? You don't. Second problem, look at this right here. I don't know if you can see it on the screen, but there's definitely a problem here. This is bowed out. This is pushed. This part right here is up too far this way. There's a gap. This should be level. This should be level across here. It's not. This is bent down. This outer ring right here. This is bent down inside here. This whole thing is just, this race here is too far. It's too far this way towards me. It should be flush all the way across underneath this snap ring, and it's not. Wish I had something to put on there to show you. See that gap in there? That gap shouldn't be there. In the corner over there, that gap shouldn't be there. Look at that gap under there. That shouldn't be there. The gap in that bottom left corner, that gap shouldn't be there. Now, when I spin it, look at this. I can't even spin the top of it. So it gets bound up like that. That shouldn't happen. Look, watch. I can't even push on this. See how easy that was down? Watch. I'm pushing the whole thing. It's getting bound up. Those bearings are shot. Brand new bearings. And on top of that, look at this. I don't know if you can hear it or not. This whole hub is moving in and out. See that movement there? Watch. See that? That shouldn't be happening. I can take the hub and move it like this. It's hard to do with one hand, but there's movement right there. And in and out. So this is junk now. Needs to be redone. I guess I gotta do it the right way myself. Bearing was $40. The place charged me $40 to put it in, and a day and a half. So now I'm out 80 bucks. I gotta buy another $40 bearing. Yeah. I'll tell you right now what they did is once they put the bearing in, they pressed the hub in from the back and didn't support this side. Now I told them that when I dropped it off, but they assured me they know what they was doing. So I said, okay. Thinking to myself, alright. Their business. I'm sure they've done this before. No. Can't say nothing now though. I can't go back, I can't call them. What am I do? So give me $40 back? Shouldn't have cost me just more time and money. This is ridiculous. I can't believe the amount of play on this thing. Hear that? I don't know if you can hear it because of that lawnmower, but it sounds terrible. And it gets bound up like right there. I can't even. That's putting a lot of pressure on it. I'm moving the whole thing. So this is shot. So if you get this done, just double check everything. Make sure it spins freely, make sure there's no movement in and out or side to side when you grab the front of the hub and just kind of twist it. There shouldn't be any movement at all. And the back of the bearing should be level, just like it came out of the package. The bearing did not come out of the package like this.